I was trying to film this with the phone. Can't do that and cut. I'm gonna cut me some bok choy. I'm gonna show y'all and talk to you about my bok choy. You see, maybe it's starting to go to seed, and that's all right. There's one over there too, and we've cut down two to the bottom that had already gone to seed over there. But they'll drop the seeds. It's fine, and we'll get bok choy later also. You cut your bok choy a certain way. You see how I've been cutting them? They'll grow back. This is not my good camera, guys. This is my inside camera. I'm just trying to make it work. So oh yeah. When I come back, I knew this was gonna be tough with this stupid camera. That's where I'm working. Giving the outside leaves to the goats and the chickens. Flies hatching out of them. It's alright. I'm gonna end up falling this stupid... Man! I made it all the way over here and he bailed. You talk about camera shy. Did y'all get to see it or not? Oh, I'm never finding that thing again. Wow. There's the box. Okay. know what? If you use your imagination, all those cars and semis going by, you can pretend it's the ocean. There's another little bug. Oh, look at him. He has magic tricks. Wow. Squish. Damn bulldog in the backyard today. Okay. Ooh, it's a nice one. But again, these outside leaves, look at that. Just covered. Look at this.
You talk to him.
Yeah. Oh, wow, wow. Well, I'm talking to my camera too. Look. I got it channel. What kind of infestation I got going on?
Oh, that's eating the holes in it.
See, and look at the little flies.
Oh, yeah.
I'm trying to show them. Oh, look, that must be a hatcher, or is that a spider?
Oh, well, you know, I know today, used to, you know, 7 did everything.
I know, but
7 on this.
It's not organic like it used to be.
No, it's not.
Well, I just took out the outer leaves to wash off the inside. It's kind of gross.
Well, yeah, you don't know what it is.
And I'll just feed it to my chickens and such.
Oh,
But this is look how beautiful they are.
Oh, they're gorgeous.
You don't see it until you get in there and look.
They really do.
And I had them covered.
I noticed you cover things and everything. You take really good care of them.
Oh, look, they are hatching. See those with the little...
Oh,
well,
yeah.
that's what laying them. I don't know. Yeah, I think that's hatching.
Gotta be a bigger bug.
I feel like you're crawling all over me.
You'll find them.
Look, can you see? Some of the bigger ones of those seeds have hatched.
Oh, they have. They're now.
And they're moving around.
Well, at least you know what it is.
Crawling on my finger.
Oh, I see it. What is that?
I don't know.
I don't either.
It's not good.
Well, good luck with it.
Yeah, thank you. I still got quite a harvest. That's why you grow so much, I guess. Some for the bugs and some for you. Man, that might be the last one I got right there. Fall in here. cool. This one doesn't have much on it. Alright guys, I stopped to, this lady always looks at my gardens and we talk about it. That's what I would give to the goats and the chickens. Those are the heavily infested leaves I was showing you guys. And then you can see I actually do have a few left, but your girl's starting to hurt. So I'm going to go in the house. 2 or 3 left, and that one's going to seed, but here's my harvest. Now, some of them had to lose several of outside leaves for the bugs because they were all ate up anyway. And you know, to be honest, I'm just going to tell you what, I'm trying to kill my carrots. But yeah, you can see several little oh, we're going to have to edit this. I believe I got like 7, 8 Bok Choys in here. Peace, guys. It's gonna be so shitty. I don't know if I could edit even this.